meditation is not some masterful practice that one must do at a temple or in some holy place. It is a day in and day out awareness of the most mundane things imaginable. Brushing your teeth, eating your food, watching your breath, and so on. Buddha taught 40 different methods of training the unruly mind. Every temple has its own system in place. Vipassana means clear knowing, and Kamathana, the foundation of action. Taken together, the practice is the clear understanding of what is happening and each movement. Just observe your body and heart complex. We say heart because the heart is the seat of discriminative wisdom. A heart free from hindrances will understand the rule, nature, or all conditioned things at the deep level. Something arises, exits, then arise. We use observation of the base meditation objects. In sitting, it's the inhalation, exhalation of the breath, and in walking, it is the movement of the feet. To develop the concentration and awareness needed to honestly see things as they really are. Before going any further, it is important to state the mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom or build open morality. In the West, morality is often expressed in a self-righteous or intolerant manner. However, in Buddhism, morality is a vehicle that skillfully guides our thought, words, and needs. It is an inward focus that engender self-restraint and promotes harmlessness toward others. Hence, talking the eight precepts one can Observe the meditation object in four different postures: walking, sitting, standing, or laying down. Our practice depends on our body. Walking meditation. Before walking, connect with our space by briefly standing and doing a mental sweep of the body from the top of the head down to the feet, back up to the head, then down to the feet again. When ready, put your right hand over the left and place on your abdomen or lower back. Now begin walking with the right foot. You can use the word right goes, thumb. In mind, as your right foot moves, but keep your mind eye on the movement of the foot. Proceed with the left foot. Left goes thus, etc. If you feel any bodily sensation such as itching, tingling, or pain, not the sensation in mind, then return to your base object, which is the movement of each foot. Likewise, thoughts that arise, feelings that come up, sight that you see, things that you hear, stop, not them. Then return to the walking. Walking meditation helps to build energy, concentration, the mind, and ground the meditation to the present. Sitting meditation. We normally sit with the right foot on the left thing and the right hand placed up on the left with thumbs touching. However, sit in a position that is most comfortable for you. If needed, use a cushion or sit in a chair. When ready, close the outer eyes but open your inner eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Then follow the naturally follow of the breath as in goes in and out of your nostrils or by watching the rising or falling of the abdomen. Choose the one that feels most comfortable to you. Just follow the breathing. Never force it. Sitting meditation allow for deep concentration and peacefulness or arise as with walking. Note bodily sensation, emotional feeling, thoughts etc. as the arise. But always go back to your base, which for sitting is the inhalation and exhalation of the breath, whether at your nostrils or abdomen. Standing meditation, this is the same as sitting, except in the standing posture. More meditation guidance will be provided upon your arrival at the temple and after taking the 8 precepts. Bhavatu Sabba Mangalam.